Here we've got Oppo A52, and let me show you how to show emoji suggestions on the following device, how to activate this feature. First of all, you have to open the settings, then go to additional settings and now select keyboard and input method. Then go to Gboard and click on preferences. Here you will notice show emoji in symbols keyboard, so at first mark this switcher, now go back and go to text correction. And here under suggestions you will find suggested emojis right here, so just click on show emoji suggestions and from now on they will be suggested. So that would be all. This is it. So you can activate emoji suggestion in your Oppo A52. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.